Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys my go-to moisturizer that I use for autumn slash winter. So this is my favorite moisturizer. I absolutely love this Dawn. So I've ran out of Dawn, as you can see, and I thought I should just share with you guys how I mix my Dawn just to get a well moisturized skin throughout the season, the winter season. So this is the container that I love to use, only because it's easy for me to mix all everything that I use to mix in the moisturizer. So that's why I love this type of container. Ooh. So I don't know if I'm gonna okay. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna put it aside. Then what I'm gonna go with next is my absolute favorite tissue oil in the world. You can get this tissue oil at your nearest pep store. This Dawn, it's sold, I've seen it everywhere, guys. I've seen it at Checkers, Spar, Pick and Pay, I don't know, a lot of supermarkets have this Dawn. ShopRite, you name it, you will find it. Clicks and Discount as well, so it's everywhere. So I'm going to add this oil. Okay, I'm just trying to check how much oil. I don't use like the entire bottle of oil. I don't pour it here. So I just pour, a certain amount, maybe a quarter. I add it here. I think this is fine. I think I'm way past quarter. I think I used half, but that's fine. And then I'm going to also use glycerine. This is from Claire. Also, I don't use like the entire bottle. I think this is fine. I think this is fine. I normally use like quarter to almost a half. And then I'm going to pour a bit of the spirit. So this mixture, guys, it helps with dry skin throughout the winter season. It helps with getting reducing your stretch marks and getting rid of most of your stretch marks. And just keeping your entire skin soft and smooth and well hydrated, because if you have dry skin and you also, like, during winter we eat a lot, so we tend to gain weight in winter, and because of all the stretching and dry skin, that will cause like new stretch marks, so this mixture will help you a lot to not get any new stretch marks, and also to fight those old stretch marks. So I am using like an old toothbrush, which I use for to lay my edges. So you can use whatever to just mix everything together. It's coming right. So it changes color when you're mixing. So the Dawn was white, now it's like purple. which is one of my favorite colors, so I'm not complaining. The smell is, it smells good. It mostly smell, you know, like the tissue oil. I think the tissue oil has overpowered everything else that I've mixed here, but it smells really good. Okay, I think we're done with the mix. This is how it will look. Okay, let me just rub everything else that is left. So this is how it looks, guys. And yeah, we're done with my moisturizing mixture for autumn/winter. So now let's go to the body exfoliating scrub. I'm almost running out. So what I use is ground coffee, as you can see. So this is what you will need. You will also need some sea salt and also olive oil, but because I've run out of the organic olive oil in my kitchen, I opted for this olive oil from Discam. So I'm going to start with, you can start with ground oil, with ground coffee, you can start with sea salt, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to, it depends, oh, that happens all the time, but it's not a train smash. So this is my second one. And then 3, I think this one is enough. So 3 tablespoons of sea salt and one. I love the smell of coffee. 2, I think 3 as well, tablespoons of ground coffee. I use the scrub twice a week. It leaves your skin super soft, super smooth, and very hydrated. So this is really good, especially now in South Africa. We are in autumn/winter. It's getting colder and colder, and the skin is, you know, getting dry. So this will absolutely help you. I feel like adding more ground coffee, just 1 tablespoon, 1 more spoon, because I want it to be a bit dark. And also, you know, ground coffee has a lot of benefits to the skin. Then you add a few spoons of olive oil, maybe 3. It depends, you know, I don't want I don't want it to be like too oily. So if you see it at home, if you're doing it yourself and you can like see that, okay, it's fine, you know, it's not too much oil, then 2 is enough. Look at that. So you can use this, guys, all over your entire body. I've never used it on my face, so I'm not gonna say use it on your face, but I don't think there's anything that's gonna happen if you use it on your face. But I use this just for I feel like adding one more. And then I'm done. So this is how I do my body scrub at home. And you're done, guys. Done, done, done. Smells so good. Feels so good. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs.